showing sales and profit. So it'll show me that I should not go for other chart other than this. I'll say click here. By default, it sum up with the 1-to-1 value. Sum of profit and sum of your data is this much. Say I am having total profit of 520 and sales is 3273. Say I want to break it on the subcategory part, so you can put in details. It has been breaked. So depending on your variable on the basis of which, or you can say column on which you want segregation to be there further with the data, you can drag in details. So you say it's already broken. I say I want segment to be there in color wise. I'll say let drag segment. Where is the segment? This is the segment. Let me drag a color. So you can see legend here. Consumer in blue, corporate in orange, and home office in reddish. So you said I am not looking for color. Let me have something else. Do I having option of using shapes? I say yes. We do have options. Let's go for using shapes. I click it. I drag it here. You can see the consumer is in mold shape, and this corporate in square, and home office is in case. So if you say it is not readable to me, you can increase your size. Sometimes happen we are working on data which is very miniature in nature. You can increase your size of your graph if needed. So that's a case available. So we are seeing color, size, label, details, tooltip, and shapes. Even though if you are not happy with this shape, you do have multi of other shapes which you can decide, and you can even apply that. Keep, you'll get this option of keep only or exclude. If you go for keep only, it exclude other data and you'll be getting the data of corporates only. If I do it like this, now I'm getting corporates only. I'll remove all other data of different segments. If I undo this, I'll be getting back on the same picture. So again, I'll say if I'll name it sales versus profit segment wise. That's we are using this card available. So let me name this sales profit.